Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, market calls are mixed. Hope everybody had a safe weekend. Definitely our thoughts and prayers are those impacted by the Highland Park July 4th parade shooting. As far as the calls, we're trying to call wheat higher because there is some demand picking up. Egypt and Pakistan, there's going to be some dry weather, especially in Western Europe. Continues to be some dry weather in parts of Ukraine and Russia. And we have a forecast across parts of the southern plains that remains warm and dry, which should speed up harvest. Though prices are oversold, we're back to near or below the 200-day moving average, and prices for the grains at least below where they were before the Ukraine war. Ukraine war continues, and there is questions about wheat coming out of the Black Sea and also corn coming out of Ukraine. Those world markets remain tight. At the end of the month, the USDA really didn't give bullish traders anything as far as corn and soybean stocks to come in and start buying this market. And without a ridge of high pressure over much of the Midwest, it's also limiting any spec buying. As far as weather over the next couple of weeks, there will be some showers across the northern Midwest. The dry areas of east central Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio have yet to see these rains. Eventually they could see some low pressure drop in and provide them some rains. The area of concerns remains Kansas, southwest Iowa, Missouri, and most of the Delta. Those areas will probably remain warm and dry. It just, for the most part, the long-range maps keep the high-pressure ridge too far west to impact dramatically much of the Midwest. The crop ratings, I think some people think that we'll actually see the crop ratings decline again. Here in Elgin, we had 3 inches of rain overnight. The heat index will be over 100 degrees today, and another 3-inch rain tonight is forecasted. But again, not a lot of rain forecasted for that dry areas of eastern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. The Delta will also remain mostly dry. So when we look at crop ratings, your best crops will probably be Iowa, the Dakotas, also maybe Michigan and Wisconsin. Your lower crop ratings so far have been in Minnesota, Indiana, Ohio, and parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and even Alabama. So we'll be watching for any news as far as demand is concerned. One of the things that dropped beans dramatically on Friday was the talk that China canceled 8 cargoes of U.S. soybeans for August. So we'll have to see if that pops up either in the daily or weekly export sales numbers. So again, a short week, and we'll see how the market handles the recession, commodity prices in general, the U.S. dollar, crude oil, and any talk about the Fed's raising interest rates. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated, especially after the weekend news.